Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. In this episode, we explore the essential steps to ensure your organization is always prepared for a medical device audit. Audit readiness is not a one-time event, but a continuous organization-wide commitment. The foundation of this commitment is a robust quality management system, or QMS, that aligns with all relevant regulatory requirements, such as the FDA's 21 CFR Part 820 and ISO 13485. This system must be a living part of your operations, with regularly reviewed and updated documentation, including standard operating procedures and technical files. Success depends on integrating compliance into everyday activities and fostering a culture where quality is a core company value, driven by leadership and shared across all departments. To proactively identify and address compliance gaps, you must conduct regular internal audits, perhaps quarterly or biannually. These should not be simple checklist exercises, but deep dives that use regulatory frameworks to find real opportunities for improvement. The findings must lead to effective corrective and preventive actions known as CAPAs. Alongside these internal audits, ongoing and documented training is critical. All staff must understand current regulations, their specific roles during an audit, and how to access necessary documentation. This builds a confident and competent team. On a practical level, all documentation must be current, accurate, and easily accessible. This includes your SOPs, training records, risk management files, and CAPA reports. Leveraging technology like a digital document management system is key for maintaining organization, version control, and clear audit trails. To test these systems and your team's preparedness, we recommend conducting mock audits that simulate a real regulatory inspection. This allows you to rehearse audit scenarios, assign roles like a spokesperson and document controller, and address any weaknesses before the actual auditors arrive. When the audit day comes, the goal is to be professional, cooperative, and transparent. A predefined audit plan outlining the scope and objectives will ensure a smooth process. After the audit, all findings should be formally reviewed and addressed through your CAPA system. This final step turns the audit outcome into a valuable driver for continuous improvement, strengthening your processes for the future. If your organization needs expert guidance to navigate the complexities of global market access and audit readiness, Pure Global is here to help. Thank you for listening, and we will see you next time.